You have to try this cream cheese garlic recipe. It's very easy to make. Everybody will thank you for it. It's delicious. Oh yeah.
My God, what did you eat?
First, we're going to add a package of yeast to about a half a cup of some warm milk. Then we're going to add some sugar to that and give it a stir. Now we sift about 1 3/4 cups of flour. Add a teaspoon and a half of salt. Give that a little stir. Now we're going to add 1 egg. Get a head start and break the yolk up. Now we're going to add the yeast and the milk. Time to stir it up and start making the dough. This is the fun part. We get to get our hands dirty. Now we knead the dough until the dough becomes consistent. Add some soft butter and some cream cheese. Mix that in with your hands, and again just knead it until the dough is consistent. Sometimes you have to add a little flour if the dough gets a little too sticky to work with. Now you let the dough rise for about an hour. While the dough's rising, let's mix up the garlic butter. We're going to start with about 6 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and mix that all together. Now add a little bit of honey. Now your garlic butter is ready to spread on your dough. After an hour, or until your dough's risen up to be double the size, it's time to roll out the dough and flatten it out. I chose to cut it in half. You don't have to. Spread a little flour so that the dough doesn't stick. Flatten the dough till it's about 1/4 inch thick. Spread the garlic butter evenly over all of the dough. Now add some mozzarella cheese. I added about a cup of mozzarella cheese all told. Cut it up into 12 even sections. Stack them up. And place them into a baking dish. Cover that and let it rise for about half an hour. After half an hour, spread some egg wash over top of the dough. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes or until it's nicely brown. Now pull yourself a slice of bread and enjoy.